In this video, I'll be taking a look at a new feature that just landed within the last 24 to 48 hours that involves those of you who may be using Google assignments. I did an earlier video a couple days ago. I'm going to add a new assignment here to the course. I'm going to go ahead and call it temporary, as I tend to do for these things. And this is going to be a Google LTI 1.3 assignment using the external tool approach. And I'll go into the external tool. I did this in an earlier video that I'll link below. And you can see here I'm going to link it to my account. Same process as before. And I'll tell it just go ahead and link that. And this is the new part here. I still attach my document as before, but down here, this is new. In the past, these two boxes weren't here, and this was the only way you could mark things. This is the new piece. Now this just landed in the last 24 to 48 hours. I don't know fully how it works, but again, the process will be the same as the process we've been using, where you load in your document that you're trying to distribute. Maybe that's my document there. Add that. This will distribute copies to all the students, but I now have the option that the submitted files will be uploaded in Canvas, converted to view only, and I can then do all that. I haven't used the feature, it just landed, but being the start of the term, I thought it would be a good time to get word out that this change has occurred in Google Assignments. This is a new feature. It was announced that it would roll out this month. And again, here I select, and so now it's set up this way, and I can say, let me go ahead and save and publish that. I'll have to delete it, because it's a course that will appear, but it will look like this from the student. Once it's in, the students will then get in a copy, and it looks like, if all goes well, that should now come back to Speedgrader, something that did not actually happen before. And I certainly will probably be experimenting with this new feature myself this term. Again, new, I haven't used it before. Explore it, and your experience may vary, but if you do use it, let me know how it went for you and your students. I'll be curious to know myself. That's a new feature available to us.